Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn food and health. This is our new chapter, third chapter, food and health. Okay. You know, we will eat so many food items in our day-to-day life. Morning we will eat rice, chapati and some curry. In afternoon we will eat what? Rice and some curry. Okay, in evening also we will eat nowadays. This is our festival, right? So nowadays we will eat some biryani, some different mutton, what we can say mutton curry, or we can say mutton fry, right, like that, right? So we will eat so many food items, but if we will eat junk food, it will affect our health, right? Junk food is nothing but pizza, burger, sandwich. These all under comes under junk food, right? If you will eat daily too much junk food, like one for 1 week, if you will eat junk food, this 1 week for 1 day noodle, second day pizza, third day burger, it will affect our health. Okay, how often do you eat junk food? Nowadays, rarely. Nowadays, rarely we will eat junk food. Previously, what before COVID-19, what we will do many times in our schools also, if you will come, we will morning session, we will eat dosa, idli, like that, right? It is not, it will not come under junk food, but it is oily. It is dosa is of oily thing, right? In it, vada also we are having so much of oil. Like how we will cook in our homes, they will not cook in that manner, right? So nowadays, after COVID-19, we are avoiding junk food. Especially, we are avoiding junk food like this noodles and what our parents are doing. They are making the junk food like what pizza, burger in our home itself, in a microwave oven, some other utensils, right? So because of this, we are avoiding that. Why do you think it is not advisable to eat junk food every day? Because if we will eat junk food every day, we will get so many diseases. First of all, if we will eat junk food, what will happen? Obesity will come. We become fat. We will become fat, right? Obesity, diabetes. If we will eat so many sweets daily, gulab jamun every day. If we will eat so much of sweet, cham cham, like in that manner. If we are eating so many sweets, also we will get diabetes, right? So it is not good for health, heart disease. Okay, heart disease. And if you are eating junk food, also we'll get some different diseases, obesity, diabetes, heart disease, cancer. So we have to avoid junk food, and in order to become healthy, in order to stay healthy, we need to eat healthy food. Okay, in our day-to-day life, we need to eat healthy food. Morning, we have to eat. If we'll drink milk, if we'll eat bread, jam, that is okay. Okay, try to avoid junk food. For good health, we must eat freshly cooked food, vegetables, sprouts, and fruits, and avoid eating junk food. In order to stay healthy, we need to eat freshly cooked food, vegetables, sprouts, fruits, like that, fresh. Okay, and we have to stop eating junk food. In this chapter, we will discuss what constitutes healthy and unhealthy food. What is the healthy food and what is unhealthy food? We are going to discuss in detail in this chapter. We will also learn about nutrients, various methods of food preservations, and communicable and non-communicable diseases. Okay. In this chapter, we are going to learn nutrients, balanced diet, diseases, how to stay healthy. In this chapter, we are going to learn what we are learning. Try to implement in your day-to-day life. Okay. We will see what is the meaning of. Now we will come to our first topic, nutrients. What is the meaning of nutrients? First, we will read what is there in our reader. We get energy from the food that we eat, right? We get energy. If we will eat food only, we will get energy. If we will not eat food, morning breakfast, if we are doing at 2 o'clock afternoon, we will feel sick after few days. So don't do that. Okay. Food help us grow and remain healthy. If after eating food, we'll grow. If we are eating daily food on time, morning, afternoon, evening, if we will stay healthy as well as we'll grow. Okay, food contains several kind of nutrients which help in various functions of our body. In food we are having several different types of nutrients, so that will become healthy. We stay healthy, we can stay healthy. Okay, nutrients are the substance present in the food. Nutrients are the substance which are present in the food. Substance, what is the definition of nutrients? We will write substance present in the food that our body needs to grow and stay healthy are called nutrients. Substance present in the food substance present in food that our body needs to grow, that our body needs to grow and stay healthy. Are called nutrients. Okay. What is the meaning of nutrients? The substance. Some kind of substance present in the food that our body needs, that our body requires, okay, to grow, to build, to grow ourselves and to stay healthy, to stay fit are called nutrients. Understood? Substance present in a food that our body needs to grow, to build and to stay healthy, to stay fit are called nutrients. Okay. They are required by our body to live, grow and remain healthy. Why do we require these nutrients? To grow, to live, first of all to live, right? To live, to grow and to remain healthy. To live, grow and to remain healthy. Okay. Why nutrients required in our food? To live. First of all, we need if we need food to live, right? We need food. Food खाए तो ही आप जिंदा रहेंगे, right? We need food to live as well as to grow and to remain healthy, to stay fit, to stay healthy. There are 5 main nutrients present in our food. Okay, we need 5 nutrients to stay fit, to grow and to live. Okay, to stay healthy. What are the 5 main nutrients? We will see. Nutrients. What is first one? Carbohydrates. Okay, this is the first nutrients we require. This is the first nutrient we require. Carbohydrates. Next one is fats. Fat also we require. Fats. Next one, third nutrient is proteins. Fourth one is vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. Fifth one is roughages. Water and roughages. Water and okay. Nutrients, we are having 5 main nutrients. There are 5 main nutrients, okay, present in our food. If we are taking these 5 main nutrients, we will stay healthy. We can grow. Okay, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, water and roughages. Today we are going to learn about carbohydrates. Okay, see, roughages are. Apart from this, our food should also contain roughages and water. See, vitamins is fourth one and fifth one is minerals. Okay. These are the 5 main nutrients we require. Okay. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Apart from this, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, we also require water and roughages. Okay. After eating food, what we will do? We'll drink water, right? Roughages. Roughages helps in removal of undigested food from our body. Okay, roughages is a kind of plant food that cannot be digested by human body. We'll learn in detail about roughages and fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals in next class. Today we are going to learn about carbohydrates. You might have seen that someone feeling low on energy is given a glass of glucose water, right? If someone is feeling low energy, suppose I'm not having energy, I'm feeling low. What I will do? I will drink glucose, right? Glucon-D. I'll drink that. Okay. Glucose is a type of carbohydrates. Okay. What is the meaning? Glucose is a. Why I will drink glucose? Glucose is a type of carbohydrate that gives instant energy. Okay. वही moment पे energy आ जाती है आप glucose पिए तो, right? Glucose is a type of carbohydrate that provides instant energy. We will write with different chalk. Glucose is a type of carbohydrate that provides instant energy. This is the main thing here. That's why I'm writing with different chalk. Okay. All carbohydrates provide energy to our body, helping us work, play, and perform other activities. What will carbohydrates will do? It will provide energy to work, to play, to perform different kind of activities. Okay, so on, to work, play, run, and perform other activities. Therefore, carbohydrates are known as energy-giving food. After eating the food items, after drinking the food items which contain carbohydrates, we will get instant energy, right? So, what do you call the carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are known as energy-giving food. Carbohydrates are known as energy-giving food. Carbohydrates, we can say carbs also. Carbohydrates are known as energy giving food. This is important. Okay, carbohydrates are known as energy giving food. Why carbohydrates are known as energy giving food? After eating or after drinking the food item which contain carbohydrates, will get what? Instant energy. So carbohydrates are known as energy giving food. The various sources of carbohydrates are chapati, rice, bread, potato, and all kind of sweets. Fruits like mangoes and bananas are also very good source of carbohydrates. We'll write the sources of carbohydrates. The various sources of carbohydrates are, first of all, chapati, rice, vegetables such as potato, okay, bread, sweets such as mango, fruits such as mango and banana. Okay, chapati, rice, potato, bread, sweets and all kinds of sweets. Fruits like mangoes and bananas are also very good source of carbohydrates. If we will eat banana and mango, we will get carbohydrates. That means we will get instant energy to run, to play, to perform other activities, right? And different kinds of sweets. Sweets are different kinds of sweets. Okay. Hope you all understood this one. Remaining fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughages and waters we are going to learn in next video. Let's recall what we learned. We learn about food and health. This is our chapter. We learn nutrients and carbohydrates. There are 5 main nutrients. What are the 5 main nutrients? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Apart from this 5, we are having water and roughages also, a type of nutrients we require in our food. Okay. What is the meaning of nutrients? Substances present in food. Okay. Substances present in food that our body needs to grow and stay healthy are called nutrients. Why do you require nutrients? Means to live, to grow and to remain healthy, to stay fit, to stay healthy, right? What are the 5 main nutrients? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Apart from this, we are having roughages and water. What is the meaning of carbohydrates? Carbohydrates is what do you call carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are known as energy giving food. After eating the food items which contain carbohydrate, we will get instant energy. Such as glucose is a type of carbohydrates. Glucose is nothing but glucon D, right? Glucose is a type of carbohydrates that provides instant energy. Okay, to work, to play, to run, to jump, to perform any kind of activity. Carbohydrates are known as energy giving food. Carbohydrates are known as energy giving food. What are the sources of carbohydrates? From which food item we will get carbohydrates? Chapati. If you will eat chapati, we will get carbohydrate. Rice, potato, bread. If you are eating such types of food items, we will get carbohydrates. What about fruits and sweets? If you are eating different kinds of sweets also, we will get carbohydrates. Not too much, we have to eat a minimum quantity that what our body requires. And mango and banana as well. But these are the 2 food items. If we will eat these 2, we will get instant energy, right? So what we will do in summer season? Many of us, morning session we will eat mango and chapati. So these are the 2 sources of carbohydrates. After eating that, we will do our lunch at 3 o'clock, at 4 o'clock, like that, right? So these 2. Banana also. If we will eat banana, what some of we will do? Morning session we will drink milk and we will eat 1 banana. That is enough for our breakfast. That means why it is enough? Means it contains carbohydrates which will give instant energy, because carbohydrates are known as energy giving food. Fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, waters and roughages we are going to learn in our next video. I hope you all understood this one. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.